Hello friends. In this video, I want to teach you how to register with the DLSM Broker. You go to the website, you click on register. In this section, you enter your first name, middle name, and last name. Additionally, you enter your country of residence, mobile phone number, email address, and password. I recommend using uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for your password. After entering your password, you repeat it in this section for confirmation. Finally, you click on Next. In this section, you enter your date of birth. Additionally, you enter your full address, city, district, and postal code. And you click on Next. In the next step, you select your desired platform. Also, you choose the account type, preferred currency, leverage, and a password for trading. In this section, you repeat your chosen password. You confirm the website's terms and conditions by ticking the box and then click on this option. You will enter the verification section. In the next video, we will teach you how to verify your account on DLSM. Good luck.